Y'all ain't ready?
Yeah.
For the Ratchet Show, y'all. Book y'all interview. Book your turn up moment. Ratchet Show coming to a city near you, period. We gonna claim that right now. You understand me? We gonna claim that today.
And y'all make sure y'all share, because sharing is caring.
Sharing is caring.
Doing promotions too, baby.
Like, comment, share. Like, comment, share.
We don't care what your business is. You be trapping, rapping, capping, sacking, whatever.
Whatever.
Yeah, you need.
Hold on. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. It's a vibe.
Big vibe.
Yay, it's a vibe. Hey. Free band, free band, free band, free band, free band. Houston, this some ratchet ass shit right here. Look at her.
She stay on this ridge.
Look at her. How you gonna ask at the drive-through though?
What your man said?
It's in my sock.
Well, you need to put it on when you asking for money. You don't know the next car might got corona.
Yeah, they might. But you hustle at the drive-through though, like you know for a fact, motherfucker got money at the drive-through.
Tell her come here.
Hey, come here. You know people got money at the drive-through.
They don't care.
Yeah, but I want you to care. What you trying to get now?
That special habit on when the three people to one, all the two people special McDonald's. That special habit on when the three people to one, all the two people special McDonald's.
If you could tell me what she said, I'ma cash app you right now. I'ma put some on that gram. What she said, y'all? What she said? The reason why y'all having so much trouble, y'all niggas that's packing them guns and shit, because y'all ain't getting no side pussy.
Oh,
They ain't getting enough side pussy. And they feeling the pressure of trying to be faithful to this one bitch. But y'all ain't got to be faithful to that hoe. Well, y'all can be faithful. No, let me not say that. Because we want niggas to be faithful. We want our men to be faithful.
Yeah.
But we do need to know that it's okay to have you a side chick.
Okay, right.
Because them hoes is the antidote.
Thank you, Reggie Tracy. That's a man we got now.
Yeah.
In the apartment.
Yep.
Reggie, tell y'all do that for you.
Ratchet Tracy. Yeah.